How to create category. Category is used for classification in items like main course, Chinese, Indian breads, pizza, etc. So first, how to create categories? Click on new. Here you can put the category name. For example, starters. Super category you can select if you have created any super category. Online display name is for Swiggy and Zomato. From which name you want to show this item on Swiggy and Zomato. Display order is same like sequence. If you want to show starters on top in Swiggy and Zomato, you can click number one over here. You can select one, or if you want to show it in second, you can select second. Predefined comment is for the whole category. Like if you add comment over here like extra spicy, so it will be applicable for each and every items of this category. And timing is for Swiggy and Zomato, like the applicable days you can select Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Only 3 days. If you want to select 3 days, you can select 3 days. The starters will be visible only on this 3 days in Swiggy and Zomato. If you want to select all, you can select all. The start timing is from what time to what time you want to sell this item, and you can save this category over here. The category is saved.